2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.
And everybody, welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. Today is Monday, April 9th, 2018. This is going to be my watch list for Tuesday, April 10th, 2018. For those new viewers, Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel where I teach you basically how to trade. I give you my watch list and I give you tips along the way. And my goal for this channel is to get you to trade, and hopefully the trading bug bites you and you start researching how to trade and hopefully see that it's really not that difficult. That's my goal. If you're a new trader, I hope that you find these videos educational, and if you are a trader that is just kind of like in a slump or want to see how other people do things, then use these videos and this channel for that as well. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and like to my channel. And I also have a free chat room through the Discord app, and I will leave that link below in the description of this video. I am not a financial planner or a financial advisor. So everything that I discuss here is just my opinion. I'm never going to tell you what stocks to buy, what stocks to sell. This is all just my opinion. Whatever you do with that, that is your choice. I will always say for you guys to do your own research, and at the end of the day, it comes down to what you like, to your gut feeling, to your instincts. That's why I always encourage you guys to do your own research and to base your decisions not off of what I say, but based off of what you think and what you like. You guys have to find your own trading style. So I hope that I kind of inspire you to do that and to go along for that journey. With that being said, there are many ways to trade. There's many different strategies, many things to look at. I only talk about the things that work for me. So just keep that in mind. There's many different ways of doing things. I just discuss what works for me. The way that I like to do things, I like to talk about day trading first, then go into swing trading. They're two totally different ways of trading. I have a video on the differences between the two. If you don't want to look for that, you could do a simple Google search and it'll tell you the difference. So let's go into day trading, my day trading watch list. And the market has been really crazy. I mean, it's just up, down. One day it's like down 700 points, the next day it's up 400. Today it was up like 500 or like 400 points, and then it just came tumbling down and barely, closed on a positive note. So the market's really volatile right now. It's really crazy. But hopefully we can find good setups and good charts and make a little bit of money. So the way that I like to day trade is I like to trade the pre-market high or the previous day high. So this is the first one that I have, is INSG. This chart looks very good to me right now because of this move that it had right here. As you can tell, it was doing absolutely nothing today, yesterday and today, and then all of a sudden it popped up. It doesn't have any news, any recent news, so that's kind of concerning, but it made a nice jump all the way to $2.16. So I identify the high, which is at 216, and I draw my resistance line right there. What we want to do is, or what we want to happen is for the price to come up, cross this resistance line, which is the high, and as long as it has good volume, this stock could take off. So you would buy once it crosses this line, and we would hope for a move up. Is it guaranteed that it's going to move up? Nope, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. You have got to understand that everything that you do involves risk. So this stock could go up right here. You could buy at $2.17, and then next thing you know, it comes crashing down. That could very well happen. You have to be comfortable with knowing that these things happen and that you might lose money, and you will lose money because not everything will always go your way. So this is the first one. I would keep an eye on this one because, again, it has no news, and for it to make a jump from $1.75 to $2.16 without any news, it's kind of shady and kind of weird. But it's holding its highs after the market close. So maybe there's some news that Thinkorswim isn't displaying here. Who knows? Next one is EXK. So same situation here. We identify the high, which is at $2.64. That's where we draw our resistance line. This stock was basically doing the same thing. It was really doing nothing, and then it started its move up. So it went from about $2.45 to $2.64. It looks like it does have some news here. Production rose, so that's probably why the price started going up. After the market closed, it's still holding its highs. So again, we want the same thing to happen. We want the price to keep coming up, cross the daily high, which is at $2.64. And if it has good volume, we could get in, and hopefully it'll continue to go up. Again, nothing is guaranteed. This stock could cross 264, go up a couple cents, and then just come crashing down. That is something that will happen to everyday trader, and that is something that you have to expect. FSM is the next one. So this one, we identify the high at 443, and if you see right here, these little dots right there, it's currently trading at 443. So that is a very strong resistance right there. Keep in mind that it is close to the half dollar amount of $5.50. So you might see some resistance there. And as of right now, we would just want the price to go above $5.43, good volume, and we could get in. Again, keep in mind that it is very close to $5.50, so you could see some resistance there. MEET is the next one. Don't pay attention to this line, that's for something else. So we identify the high, which is at $2.41 right there. And if you look at the market close, it started moving up back to that $2.41, which is the high of the day. So right now it's at $2.40, so it's 1 cent below. So same situation, we want to keep an eye on it, want it to cross with good volume, and then it could take off. Alright, so that is my day trading watch list. I'm going to switch it over to swing trading. Let me go get my setup. I haven't been swing trading or trading anything in general because my money's tied up with the some of the stocks that I have. So I'll go over those, and then I'll go over some of the ones that I'm keeping an eye on, just in case I get stopped out of one. So BTG is a stock that I am currently in. I've been in this stock for about a week now, maybe, or a week and a half. I got in right here, and it hasn't really been doing much. It's been going down and up, down and up. We had a nice candle right now, but as of right now, I'm down. I got in at about 280, I believe. It's at 272. So I'm just looking for it to recover a little bit. MACD looks like it's going to cross soon, and hopefully it can just start coming back up and make some money. After I bought it, it really only had one positive day, which it just went up to $2.83, and after that it's been coming down. So it hasn't hit my stop, so I'm still in there. Hopefully it can recover and move its way back up. DDR, this is one of my big winners so far. I got in right here at about $7, and a couple days ago it went all the way up to $7.65. So I was making 65 cents per share, and it started to come down here, but it hasn't gone below the 20 moving average. So I'm still good. I'm making 39 cents per share, which is decent, and I'm hoping this one can rebound and start working its way back up. If it does cross below the 20 moving average, that's where my stop is, and I'll take my gains and I'll walk away. Because again, I bought at $7, and it'd be stupid for me to wait for this to keep coming down closer to 7. I'll just take my money and run. XXII, this is another slow mover. I got in at around 235 on this candle right here, and it's just been consolidating. Really, it hasn't done much. It's a slow mover, so I'm waiting for that one. And ESV, I got this one right here at 245, and as you can tell, it's at 468, so I'm making an okay profit there. On this day, 2 days ago, which was Thursday, it went all the way up to 484, so I was really pumped about that. And then I think that was the day when the market started to go down or something, so it couldn't hold its high. I was really bummed out, but I'm still in it. It's hanging onto the 20 moving average, so I'm hoping that it can come up and get closer to the 50 moving average, and not just hang around the 20 so close, because that kind of scares me. So for day swing trading, I do bounce plays. I have a whole strategy. Basically, I just look for support and I look for a bounce at that support level. Let's look at some stocks that I have here. We'll do a little bit. I don't want to take too much time. So here's support. So we're looking for this stock to keep coming down a little bit more, and see a green candle, and that could indicate a reversal. We have MDR. This one is looking pretty good. We just need a green candle. RIG, no. CX, we missed that opportunity. ESV already went over. PA8, this one could be another one. It's right at support, so we'll see what it does tomorrow. And E, it's right at support right there as well. I don't know how I feel about that chart though. SG, no, that's not a good looking chart. DDR, this is the one that I'm currently in. GNW, this is another one. We could see something nice right here, depending on what it does tomorrow. SPN, if it can come down back to support, it could have it could create a nice opportunity for us to get in. CPG, this one I missed my opportunity right here. It didn't do that much, but you know, a little move like this is better than nothing. You know, you take your wins when you can. This one doesn't look that good. No. That's about, oh wait, no, oh, this is the one that I'm currently in. So that's about it as far as swing trading. What I like to do is I like to find my support, which is where the stock bounces off of, and once I see a signal that it's coming back up, I get in and hope that I made the right choice in the reversal on the move back up. Just like day trading, nothing is guaranteed. There's many stocks that I've gotten in thinking that it's a reversal pattern where the stock is starting to go back up, but nothing is guaranteed, like I said earlier, and the stock will just move down and I'll lose money. So I say it in my videos that I show you guys when I make money and I show you guys when I lose money. I'm not somebody that's sitting here telling you that I make so much money and that I never pick bad companies and that I only do good trades. That's not realistic. You know, every trader makes money, every trader loses money. So if you are new to this channel, or if you're following somebody else, or if you're reading a book, or if you have a mentor, or whatever the case may be, and they tell you that they never lose money, or that they only they get in good trades, that you know, that they can show you how to trade and never lose money, that's BS. And I would suggest that you look for another person, or another mentor, or whatever that situation is, because somebody that says they don't lose money in the stock market is full of crap, unless they do insider trading, and that's a whole nother mess that you don't even want to deal with. So I try to be transparent as possible to show you guys that, you know, that this is what it is. You know, you make money, you lose money. It's about managing your risk. It's about being comfortable with how much money you're willing to lose. And once you find that sweet spot, you know, once you lose money, it's really not that bad, because it's tailored to your needs. It's tailored to what you feel comfortable with. For example, I might be comfortable with losing $100 on this trade, and maybe you're comfortable losing $20. So, you have to find what works best for you. That's why I always stress the fact that, don't copy somebody's style of trading. Maybe what works for me doesn't work for you. Maybe you can take my style and adjust some things and custom it, or tailor it to your style, and tailor it to your needs, and tailor it to your comfort zone. That's really what this is all about. Learning the basics and then grabbing all that information and creating something that fits you and your personality and your goals and your criteria. So I hope that helped. I hope you guys are learning. As always, please subscribe and like. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the subscribers. Again, I'll leave the link to the chat room in the description of this video. Hope to see you guys there. That being said, have a nice Monday night, and good luck on the markets. It's been crazy, but hang in there. I'll see you guys tomorrow.